Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. We're getting a nice move higher here in the markets from the lows overnight. Nvidia just came out, guys. Let's go over some of the things we're going to be watching today. Nvidia just got upgraded by Oppenheimer. They maintain outperform on Nvidia, and they raised their price target to $600. We were talking about this coming down to that 10, bouncing off of it, and climbing up to that next area of resistance, which was right around 550. Which it's doing right now. If it breaks above that 560 mark, we're easily going to be looking to take out that 600 price target that analysts at Oppenheimer put on it. So that's going to be definitely one to keep on our watch list. Take a look at banks financials. You remember we were talking about Bank of America the other day here when we got into a trade on it for last week's expo. Unfortunately, last week it was just a little bit too short of an expiration date. But as you can see, Bank of America's shares are climbing about 1.22% here in the pre-market hours. We got that MACD cross. The 10-day simple moving average is starting to climb here. I'd be looking for that 10-20 cross and a break above 25. That'd be a nice entry to look for that 26, 27 target by the end of the year there. Something we might be able to do an in the money vertical spread for and look for a smaller type of gain, maybe 20 to 40%. Maybe if we did the 24, 25 vertical spread for the August or the October 16th monthly expo, or even going into the November monthly expo. Let's take a look. Shares of Nike are still climbing here. We got Nike continuing to break out. U.S. trade balance for August was minus 67.1 billion versus minus 66.1 billion that was estimated. Prior, it was minus 63.6 billion. Let's take a look at what else is moving here on the watch list. We had airlines moving up a little bit. American Airlines, as you can see, is still creeping higher here. Looking pretty decent to about $13.50, $14. Apple's not doing too much here in the pre-market hours. Citigroup is also climbing. Nice hook pattern forming on Citigroup. I'd be looking for that $47.50 to $50 target range over the course of the next few weeks. That's a nice setup there on Citigroup. Come down, we'll take a look at Facebook. Facebook's trading side-by-side previous candle, so not telling us much yet. See how today goes for Facebook. Take a look at Google. We picked up a Google trade yesterday. Still in consolidation. We're looking for that break above that 1500 to really take off here. Still looks fine though. We got the MACD cross. Histogram is looking great, and we're holding above the 10-day simple moving average. So I'll look for that to climb today as well. Let's see what the markets are doing right now. So far the markets right now, we have the Dow up about 110 points here in the pre-market hour. NASDAQ's down about 54. It was down about 80 when I got up this morning. So it's slowly starting to rise here. S&P's in the green, Russell's in the green. So we'll look for tech to take off today as well. Other than that, it's a pretty slow morning. Not much news. Nancy Pelosi and Steve Mnuchin talked yesterday for about an hour, getting closer to the stimulus talks. We'll see how that pans out. They don't reach a coronavirus stimulus deal yet, but they're still working on it. Biden is out saying Trump is responsible for the coronavirus here. Joe Biden says Trump bears responsibility for COVID-19 infection for not wearing a mask. And then we have Love moving higher, Southwest Airlines. They were talking about getting a pay cut to their employees instead of furloughing their employees. So shares of that are moving a little bit here. Dollar Tree as well, DLTR. So shares on Dollar Tree are moving higher. We got the 10-20 cross. We had a nice breakout. We retraced down to that 10. And now Dollar Tree saying that they're going to hire 25,000 seasonal employees going into the holiday shopping season. I like this retracement we had on Dollar Tree. I think we could easily pick up $95 for that. We could look at the 90, 92.50 vertical spread for the October 16th, even going into the November monthly expo. But I like that setup on Dollar Tree. That's one I want to put on our watch list and take a look at today. So guys, remember, trade small, be disciplined, be patient, and wait for those setups. Take a look at SPY. SPY's still heading higher here above the previous day's body, which is looking good. Here's Diamond ETF. We're still climbing. Dow's up about 106 points right now. Looking good. And now we got the Qs, which is a majority of our tech shares. So we'll be looking for that to turn green today as well. I think that'll turn green by the end of today. So hope everyone has a great day today, and good luck, everyone. I'll be in the trade room in about 10 minutes, and we'll be live in about 35 minutes. I'll see you guys then, and have a great day. Bye-bye, everyone.